Greetings, dear friends. Welcome to our channel. Today, I am thrilled to introduce a simple yet exquisite dessert creation, Choco Jello. This delectable treat is crafted from a blend of milk, cocoa powder, sugar, and a setting agent. For our version, I have opted for Agar Agar, though gelatin is equally suitable for achieving the desired consistency. This recipe stands as an ideal selection for gatherings. The preparation process is remarkably straightforward, requiring only a handful of ingredients. It delivers a luxurious chocolate experience, smooth texture, and rich flavor. We encourage you to embark on this culinary venture and share your impressions with us. Begin by soaking agar agar in warm water for 10 minutes until it fully dissolves. In a saucepan, combine milk, water and cocoa powder. Whisk it well together. Heat milk on medium heat and gradually incorporate agar agar, whisking thoroughly. Continue stirring and allow it to cook until it achieves a thick consistency, ensuring everything is well combined. Add in sugar and mix it well until sugar completely dissolves. Strain the mixture and transfer into molds and refrigerate until it is firmly set. Once set, carefully demold and garnish according to your taste before serving. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me today. I hope you have enjoyed crafting this delightful Choco Jello. If this culinary adventure brought joy to your day, I request you to show your appreciation by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Your encouragement fuels my culinary passion, and I am sincerely thankful for each one of you. Keep an eye out for another delectable recipe heading your way soon. Until then, take care and stay safe. Happy baking!